Hello everyone, welcome back to Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign in to Evony. To sign in or log into your Evony game, you'll first need to download the Evony application on your preferred device. Once you've got it, launch it open and then go through the tutorials first. Once you've finished your tutorial, from the main homepage, tap on the three dots located at the bottom right. In the expanded menu, tap on Settings. Under Settings, tap on Account. You'll then see this interface. You can easily link your Game Center account, Facebook account, or sign in with your Apple account. Simply tap on the Link Account button and select one of the platforms to sign in. In my case, I'm going to choose the sign in with Apple. Tap on it and then continue logging in with your Apple ID. Log in by entering your credentials or with your Face ID and you have successfully linked the account. Tap on Confirm and you can now go back and continue playing the game. Now you have successfully signed in and you can now save your progress for the game once you're logged in with one of the login options. That is how you can easily sign in to Evony with a few simple steps. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.